Hello, how's everybody doing? And I forgot to change the VTuber, the PNP I'm using. Let's go this one. It's a little hot today. Anyway, we're back. We're making this again. Let's do a first person dungeon crawler. And a couple things have changed. So now we're pulling up with the I've got like fog. And I don't know if I want it to be like super highly colored like this still. But I do kind of like the desaturated blue light. Then I haven't done a lot of work since last time, but I did learn how to use Unity's things, Unity's event manager a little bit. Let me just check that you guys can actually hear me. Okay, I get like paranoid about this all the time because for some reason it just decides to stop getting audio every now and again. So you got this, and then it's like, oh, it's pretty dark until you get kind of close to things. But you can still like see the outline of stuff. And then we got the boards. We remember the boards. These torches are like supposed to be gems. You can kind of see like a gem inside. I think that's pretty banger. And then you have a torch highlighting the chest. And then, oh, when you mouse over it, it has a little highlight. You press F, boom, it opens. So what we need now is we need a system for locked doors, and then we need enemies. I think I'm just going to be able to do locked doors. I don't think I can really do anything else with how much time I have, which is like 2 hours max. And even then, I should probably only do like an hour and a half. And then I also have to do Archan stuff. I think, do I want it to be a little bit more obvious? Do I want to do like a full on, just have it be that one? No, actually, that I think is worse. I think what I actually should do is move it a little bit more this way. Because then as you're walking in, you're like, ooh. And then the chest is still like the brightest thing you see, but it does make you want to look that way. Dude, I was gonna do traps. Can I do like HP and stuff? If first we're gonna do the doors. If we can get the doors done, then we're balling. And then if we can get traps, then like hell yeah. But otherwise it's not the end of the world. Oh, I'm forgetting to put on music. I was balling a little too hard. Okay. History playlists. Let's go Hyper Light Drifter. Hyper Light Drifter's got a banging soundtrack. Okay. Great. Chest. Or no, we have to make a door prefab first. Interesting way to have them laid out. I like having 2 gem torch 2s. I think that's kind of fire. I like this one that's fallen over. I think that's real fun. Okay, anyways. Actually, let's make this a little stronger. I guess increase the value still, I guess, to max. It's like, is it noticeable that there's like a light? Yeah, I guess it's not as like as soon as you spawn in, then you walk around and you're like, oh, it's real dark. Dude, that chest opening animation's such a banger. Okay. 10 minutes of doing nothing. Let's actually start balling out. Okay. So. Create the object, cube. Actually. Never mind this one. We move it down, and then move down again. So scale you less this way. It's fine if it's facing into the wall. But, hold on. There's a way to turn off fog. Okay, you can disable all of that, and then it's so much brighter. I can actually see what I'm doing. I'm also going to rename it to door. We're going to go into prefabs, and then we're going to turn door into one of them. And then I'm going to add animator. Yes, let's just remember how all of this code works. Been a while. Right, there's an event manager thing. Oh, we also have to put highlight onto it. Add component, highlight. What did I use for the chest? Oh, wait, I just put it onto the chest again. Twenty. 20. That's 20 should be the default, but let's get highlights onto you. Oh, yeah. Wait, it's looking for children, right? So, actually, I've messed up. Hold on. I've already goofed. Because I've changed the code for highlight. So, if we go script, not scripts, prefabs, going to delete the door. I'm not going to model a door because that's just not something I should be doing at all whatsoever. There's a way to like prefab unpack completely. Then I create empty. Oh wait, I can just create empty parent. Door. Yeah, and then that is actually how we want to do this. So that's how chess works. Yep. Okay. And now we're going to add component for highlight. Going to add an animator, and then right, we gotta go into animation. We're putting the animation materials with each one. Well, we'll hope that at some point I actually have a door. Oh, actually, I guess I should have idle closed, which is transform, rotation, like it is right now. Having this be called doors is gonna be really annoying. I'm just gonna name it cube. Door. It's not that bad. I'll just go cube, transform, rotation. Can you like change property? No, down. That's idle close. Oh god, open. Add property cube, transform, rotation. Right. I want the party rotated 98 degrees around Z. Okay, you know what? That doesn't matter that much. But, what was I doing? How do I change the center? Oh, right here. That's for the box collider. I'm stupid. Maybe, okay. Hot take. I know I said I wouldn't do this just now. Because I don't really have the time. But general A delete add mesh cube edit mode or go back to object add armature no, don't do that. New edit mode GX SY new SX SX GX Y nope. Object mode switch to armature GX to Z. Height wise, great. It should be just a tad longer. Edit mode. X. And I also feel like it's still a little thick. Okay, and then we delete that file, save, store, new Blender file, export, FBX, there. Oh, actually, I guess we can make a material in engine. Now let me. It still opens up here. Weird. Everything should be opening up on my second monitor, as to not dox me, hopefully, but sadly, nothing likes working that way. Alright. Blender. Model. First person dungeon crawler. X. Put that here. You, where is it? Why are you all the way over there? Is that even 0, 0, 0? Is that 0? It's 0. Why is level 2? Well, I can't change that now. What I will do, however, is we're going to make it here. And I go 0, 0, 0. Door is actually real small. It's probably like normal people door, and then I have not scaled any of this to actually normal people stuff. Yeah, this is not normal people. There's a way to turn on snapping, right? Why is the grid so big? Okay. People won't notice if it's slightly bigger than... That's, I'm gonna say, a good door. And I really not... Add keyframe, filter by selection, add event. Okay, never mind. Door. Rotation. Just some shenanigans. Nothing important. Alrighty. Back to animation. Open. No, it might not be the same. Oh, right. rotation. Oh wait, negative 90. Yeah, hold on. Also, we don't need to do this. Okay, that's great. Bam, 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 bam. Or we'll go half. Have these, and then wire rotation is over. Ooh, still with negative 80. 75. 80. Negative 80. What? That's not how keyframes work. Unless there's more keyframes? What? Interpolation, relaying those, please? We can delete those. At 30, it is going to negative 90. Stick like this for like that long. Why are there so many? For these? No. Yes. For those. Alright. We're being shown now. That is very clearly a door opened animation. Where let's just go. Door, transform, rotation. And then I don't know if I'm going to need a close thing, but I'll do it anyway. Door, transform. Open. Cool. Oh, that was there from. Yeah. This is actually supposed to be. Zero. It should be like. Actually, it should probably just be like that, right? And then your -8. Then Control C and then copy it. Cancel. Here. Yeah. And then if we go into Animator, this is not the right animator. Okay. On entry, we go into idle close, which can make transition. Idle close can transition into open, which transitions into idle open, which can do this. We've got a circle. And we'll I think I could use a dictionary for ease. That could be good. Open is equal to true, then go to open. Just want that to happen every time, so I don't think I need to make a transition for that. And then U open is false. We go into close. Now let's actually add a door script. This is not the door script. Thank you. Okay. And then we're going to steal a lot of things from open chest. What I should have done is I should have made an interactables script and then had things take stuff from that, and then I would have to do this over and over again. Or do all of this over and over again. Opened. Or not open. Let's do, what did I have that as? What do we open? Let's just change the name of that. Open. Open. And then I feel like I could literally... well, I can't have literally the same thing, because now what I want to do... In-game manager, what I'm going to do... I love the Hyper Light Drifter soundtrack. It's just not good stream music, I'm not gonna lie. We're doing OG Hollow Knight music now. Okay. So what we are going to do is public... Nick. Just like bool. That probably shouldn't be an array and should probably be like... Actually, no, hold on. Okay, so this is the dungeon map that I've made. How many locked doors are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's it. So on start, keys equal new bool door. And then let's have a public update keys. Ooh. Key. And then keys, key, no, not bool, int key. Keys key equal true. Oh, right, void. Oh, well, I've already called it update. You know, I should be calling them setters, but fuck it. Set player position. Set player position. Okay. Slightly better. Oh, this was my small amount of music control. Here interacting, that key. And then I'm also going to make a get key. Get turn a bool that is just going to return keys key. So open chest and open. I'm going to have a public denom, or I'll call ID. No. ID, nothing else. Public int ID. And then we want to just set that in the thing. And then door also should have that. So if we want this all running, if game manager dot instance dot get keys ID. We have an issue with. Oh. Yeah, and we're never going to be losing a key, so here game manager dot set, or game manager dot instance dot set keys D. City of Tears, my goat. Actually, you guys can hear the music, right? Yeah, you can. Okay. I'm not just gloobin. To be fair, I think this is the only thing I need. Wait, no. I should have like a shake. The door shake if you can't open it. Then else. Shake. There's no possible way they're going to be able to get a key while being able to interact with the door, so it should be fine. Tab. Okay, and that should be all the door and chest code to making it open. And it has been done on time. Oh wait, no, door needs... So... Cool. Oh, I also didn't... Well, let's make the animation first. Actually, no. Instead of making an animation, what I'm going to do is I'm going to steal the board code where I do the exact same thing. Indoor, let's replace shake with this. This is some collections. Well, I can do a different thing instead, where I just use it to play this instead of shake. We'll call it locked. It's PS. PS don't play. Oh, that's the particle system. Don't need that. Origin, board. Vector 3 origin. Origin transform by position. So that we just play locked. Or start routine. Let's go rotation. And it would be dot y. Irregular angles. What? Wait. Use quaternion.euler instead. Turns a rotation that rotates. What? Yeah, that's why I'm confused. Not modify because it's not a variable. What? Why is rotating things so annoying? Who designed this? Rotation. No. Fuck you, I'm just going to use it. Or wait, is there even like a get Euler rotation? Turns or sets, okay. Why can't I just do... Did I try this and then it got angry at me? Let's set Euler angle. I'm going to go angles instead of rotation. Y is what we want to rotate by, right? Yeah. And then we want it to lean more negative than positive. Oh yeah, we'll try it. Okay, I don't know what you can do. Like, might work on it later. Okay, we've got 30 minutes left before I gotta dip. Which means that this is a short stream, sadly, but... Not print debug.log. Bingo. Nope. Honestly, I shouldn't have expected it to work first time. It might just be because of the warnings. Yeah. Because of the warnings, I don't think it's... Let's try this. Yep. Does it have collision? Let's fix that immediately. Where did I put the collision on the chest? Oh wait, that would also do it not having collision, because it kind of needs the collision for... Fuck's sake. Not my brightest moment. Oh, I went too far. It is luckily something that's much bigger, so... Alrighty, now let's see if it works. Is it? Oh, weird. Oh, I guess because I never exit the mouse. Okay, interesting. Okay, and then it just doesn't work. Probably because of the warnings. Damn it. That's really annoying. Oh, it's a studying thing, so you're supposed to take a break now. An instance reference? Qualify it with a type name instead. I've had enough of that shit. Actually, what did I do for the player? I say, what did I do? I did not make this good. Transform dot rotate. It'll just be faster if I do the goddamn thing. Animation. Transform, not transform. Store, transform, rotation. This isn't even like Hollow Knight music. Okay, relaxing Undertale / Deltarune music. And then it starts off with a draft of Undertale. Crazy thing to be relaxing to, not gonna lie. Um, um, 30 divided by 5 every 6. You can 24. I guess I should have divided it by... I wanted 5, actually. 5, 10, 15, 20, and at 25. That is not even a number. 5. -5. Be fine. Boom. Ba, 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 Anyway, we still need IE numerator. Take. Start a routine. Stop. Start stop, please. Thank you. Alright. This should hopefully actually work. And then we can start off, like, actually... Let's go get the chest. Yeah, the highlight code is a lot different from the everything else code. Oh, wait. The box collider not being on... being on here is actually a problem. Because that means when this rotates... Because when this rotates, that isn't rotating with it. We're rotating the whole thing, right? So... let's just do this for all of them. CCC. Remove properties, add property, transform, rotation. Right, actually, hold on. Fuck. I gotta scroll a lot to get to it. 0, and then... Nope, that's it freaking out. Okay. Wait. Okay. Not freaking out there. You're not freaking out there either. Alright, copy paste all this too. Move properties, add rotation. Oh, right, no, I have to do this. Yeah, oh, nope. Okay. Walking around like a fish. 0 that. Why is that just... Okay, sometimes it does it for all of them, sometimes it doesn't. I don't know how this works. Unity is an unknowable beast. Properties, add this. Yeah. Probably I did this properly the first time. But, okay, and then sometimes it just doesn't. So confused. Is this actually doing anything? Yeah, it is. Interestingly enough. Ooh, okay. And then indoor, switch this to 20, 20, 20, 20? Nope, just 320s. Yeah, because it's RGB, I'm stupid. Okay. Highlights, and then it's locked, and it's not letting me open it. The highlight code needs a little bit of touching up because it's slightly glitchy. That's open. I'm gonna have like text at some point that tells me if it's actually happened. And then boom, the door is open. We have keys and doors implemented. Ugh. Only took an hour. I love video games. Okay. So now, what I've got like 20 minutes. So I'm going to pull up the dungeon map. If y'all want to see it, you can. Oh. Okay. This is the starting room. This is the tutorial room I've already made. This is a locked door. We're supposed to go out into this hallway that like branches off into 2 paths. Like circle around here. I want to get at least these 3 rooms done. We'll do like these 3, and if I get more done, then like banger. But if I don't, that's fine. Okay. I'm going to have it on a second monitor because I loathe the idea of having. Come on, why is it so small now? Why not make the window bigger? Please? Guess not. Okay. That's fine enough, I guess. Oh, and then let's actually give you a... Or wait, no, we should probably give you the same as the chest. Just to denote you as, like, an interactable. Maybe... Okay. Light, directional... Just so I can, like... see a little better. You know? Let's steal these from over here. Or actually, hold on. Before I start stealing and stuff, you apply all, then you go under tutorial. That's so many meshes. Okay. Copy you. And paste you. Just gonna go into level geo. I'd probably make another... I don't know what to call this. Like... space. You just have to press space. It's really weird. But, I guess before the big room. I'll just call it starting rooms. Zero's there, I guess. You're in there now. Bum, 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 bum. This hallway is going to be a bit wider since it has to be actually it's in the middle. Like 2, that's 8, so it should be -6. -4 looks better, so we're going with that. Okay, there we go. Hallway probably shouldn't be this long. Maybe it should actually. I actually have a lot of work I need to do before playtesting tomorrow. I'm probably not going to be able to get an art jam thing done. Which kind of sucks, because I did make a design I quite liked, but I don't have an animation done for that. A small again. Bigger. This actually needs to be longer. I'm not going to really be able to test how well it works as level design, sadly. Oh wait, hold on. Tutorial chest. Okay, ID is 0. We can do that. Starting off with the 0s, chill. Just need to make sure I don't mess it up. I should probably do it in the order you actually open them. So hold on, let me scoot this over. So this will be 1, or this will be 0, 1, 2, 3. No, you won't. Ba-da-da. What time is it? Alright, we've got 10 minutes. I've got to speedrun slightly. I don't want to be late for class. There's gonna be a door there, but you're just going to be real big, Dom. Let's just make you real big. Yum. Yum. Well, no, I can just do it like this. Oh, one more. You know what, actually? I'm this annoyed by it. I'm going to control the number by myself. Oops, wrong number. Doesn't peek out here. Brilliant. Okay. And then let's rename you Roof. And then put you all the way at the top. Hide. You're also not a tutorial thing. You should go next to Floor. Alright. Actually. Because if we want it to spiral around here, well, that's probably more of... This is more of where we want the door. What the heck is this? Oh, another draft of alphas. Interesting. I don't know where they're getting all this. Maybe from sweepstakes. Or is so comically small. Ooh, 1.6, 1.4. Wait. Oh, well, I guess it's actually the same size. I'm just throwing. We're into that. That. Yeah, not entirely too far. Just one should be good enough. Yep, and knock it out of there. And then now we should move you over here. I actually want to move you this way. Maybe slightly clicking with the door. Boom. And then your ID is going to be 4. And on my roof, we're being shown. Alright. Now you need to be smaller by a good portion. That's not even close to what I wanted. And with my hand still press the buttons. I think it's slightly taller. It's more than enough to move it around. This. Make it slightly less obnoxiously large. Actually, I feel like this is a little too big. The entranceway. This is Earthbound music. No, it's not Earthbound music. I'm a liar. But like that is, I'm pretty sure Mother 1 uses that sound font. Da 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 da. Da, 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 da. Something like that. I don't know. It's still a little crazy that the only Mother game I've played is 1. And I think I played like Earthbound Beginnings too. So it's not even the version people say is actually translated well, but alas, this is my life, and this is how I've chosen to live. there's no fog. I guess that doesn't change much. This, however, I do know uses a Final Fantasy VI sound font. Because I remember hearing it in Undertale and then being like, wait a second, I've heard that sound font before. Which, to be fair, Final Fantasy VI is peak, so it's understandable. Where did the dungeon go? There it is. Wait, is this supposed to extend out? No, it's not. Give me you. Or wait, no, there's supposed to be a door. What I can do is I can just... It looks neater than it actually is. I want it to just be on the side of the ramp. That looks... That was silly. Checking the door to see if it actually looks tall enough. Nope, needs to be taller. What is this? Oh, the directional light. Oh, yeah, I don't need it since I'm... Never mind, I do need it. That was a lie. Never trust anything I say. I don't have time to actually, like, walk through the level. But yeah, there's, like, another door here. You can go out here. Let me at least do this hallway, because then I gotta go. You I'm going to extend a bunch. I can always increase the walking speed, but it's supposed to feel slower. Yeah, if we have it like that, then I know where the door is going to be. So that's room 1. Room 2 is going to be like in here. I just extend this to make room 2 possible. That's room 2. Okay, hold on. Where's directional light? You gotta, like, be a bit more drastic, buddy. Maybe it's the material I gave all these things. I guess I could just edit that. That's this. Doesn't help at all. Doesn't help at all. Helps a bit. Also ruins my lighting a bit. Yeah. Huh? I can give that room a door later. This is specifically one. I think at the moment too large. Yeah. That should leave enough space for the 3 rooms. Yeah. Okay, and then if where's the roof? Roof it up. I don't feel like going through the whole destroying the board at the moment, but you go through here. There's like 2 paths for you to go to. Let's 2 paths. You go here. Let's turn post-processing again. Oh, finally through the main room. You can go here. Go right. Never mind, don't go right yet. I forgot. I didn't make that room yet. Go here. It's like, oh, there's this door. You can open it. It's locked. And you're like, damn. Oh, I guess I can put the second door here. That's not prefabs. Door. Ooh, are we gonna have an issue with the animation? Yes, we are. Okay. That is a problem for me to solve on a later date. I'll keep it halfway through the floor so I remember. But, okay. I really gotta go now. So, everyone who popped in, thank you for doing so. It means a lot that people actually want to sit here and watch me flounder around? Flounder around and make stuff. But yeah, I hope I see you all again soon. Goodbye.